Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss Fajan's rule. Fajan's rule is for percentage of covalent character in ionic bond, means how much percentage of covalent character is present in ionic bond. So for this we should know about cation and anion. Cation, which has a polarizing power, means it should be small. If the size is small, more covalent character will be there. The charge of cation should be very high. Okay, the charge of cation should be directly proportional. If charge of cation is more, the covalent character will be more. And in case of anion, the anion is polarization. The anion go under into a polarization, whereas the cation, which has a polarizing power, anion should be, the size of anion should be large. If it is large, then more covalent character will be there, and if the charge of anion is more, then also the covalent character will be more. Means in case of cation you should have a small size, but the charge should be high. In case of anion, the size and charge should be high for the more covalent character. In case of pseudo noble gas configuration, for example copper, Ag and Au, and in case of zinc, cadmium and mercury, the pseudo noble gas configuration will be there. If pseudo noble gas configuration was there, then there will be more covalent character. For example, we have copper, which is in +1 oxidation state, then it is going to have electronic configuration 3s2, 3p6, 3d10, right? Just like zinc, it has the pseudo noble gas configuration when it is in +2 oxidation state. It means if you are giving some question and among them if pseudo noble gas configuration was there, it would have more covalent character. Now some questions which can be asked on the basis of the covalent character property, such as if the covalent character is more, then the solubility decreases, right? And their melting point and boiling point would also decrease, but their color imparting nature will increase. Now some question, for example, if we have lithium chloride, sodium chloride, potassium chloride and rubidium chloride, then the covalent character order will be, as we have seen, the cation size should be small, and the anion, here the anion is, all anions are same, chlorine, chlorine, chlorine. So the size, depending on the size of cation, it means smaller the size of cation, more will be the covalent character. So the order will be, more covalent will be LiCl, NaCl, KCl, then RbCl. In case of NaCl, NaBr, NaI, now the cation is same. The anion should be large in size, so more covalent character. So the order will be, NaI is the most covalent, NaBr, then NaCl. Now, on the basis of higher melting point, so which one have higher melting point? Ionic bonds have higher melting point. So we have to find out first of all which one is having more covalent character. It means which one is having more covalent character, their melting point and boiling point should be low. In case of BeF2 and MgF2, what we should know? We know that Ff, fluorine, is the anion which is same. It means we would go for a cation that is having a polarizing power. Polarizing power, the cation should be small in size. Therefore, BeF2 is more covalent. Which is more covalent? Has low boiling point or low melting point. Therefore, MgF2 will be the answer. In case of CaCl2 and CaBr2, the anion is different. When the anion are different, it means more covalent character will be, which have larger in size of anion. So CaBr2 is the one which is having more covalent character. Therefore, higher melting point will be of calcium chloride. In case of NaCl and CuCl and KCl and AgCl, we have learned about pseudo noble gas configuration. These are the examples of pseudo noble gas configuration, means they are more covalent in nature, and which are more covalent in nature, their melting point and boiling point is low. Which is more soluble? In case of solubility also, the solubility reduces when there is more covalent character. Therefore, we should go for charge in their charge. Fe in +3 oxidation state, more covalent. More covalent means less soluble. Therefore, FeOH का whole twice is more soluble in water. In case of Ag2O and Ag2S, these silver have now size. Depending on the size, which one is more in size? Sulfur has greater in size. Therefore, more covalent. More covalent means less soluble. Therefore, silver oxide is more soluble in water. Now, color imparting nature of a compound increases when we have more covalent character. In case of PbCl2 and PbI2, iodine, which is having more size, it means more covalent character. Therefore, it is going to have more color imparting nature. In case of silver fluoride, silver chloride, and silver bromide and silver iodide, the dark yellow color is observed in case of silver iodide because it is more in covalent character. Thank you.